I'm gonna switch gears here and show you what the house looked like before they actually flipped it. It was on the market 0 days in July, 2nd July. They actually offered at $245, and the sale price was at $233 a square foot. 0 days on the market. This is what the property looked like. You're gonna demolish most of what you're seeing and start over. So all you're trying to do is get a good deal. Just so you understand, the land alone in this neighborhood is $285,000. So it's like you're buying the building for very little.